To install Drupal 10 using Composer, follow these steps. Install Composer. First, ensure you have Composer installed. Composer is a dependency manager for PHP that will manage the libraries required by Drupal. You can download Composer by running the following command in your terminal. Create a new Drupal project. Open your terminal and navigate to the directory where you want to install Drupal. Run the following Composer command to create a new Drupal 10 project. Replace My Site Name with your desired project folder name. Navigate to your project directory. After the project is created, navigate into your project folder. Set up your web server. You can use a local server like XAMPP, WAMP, or a live server for hosting. Make sure the web server's document route points to the web directory inside your project. Run Drupal's installation script. Access your site via the following link in the browser. Follow the installation wizard to set up your Drupal site.